is up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another vlog. This is the Biker Guy, and we are in Bangalore. Let's get the day started. So, yes, we are back again, and I'm back with a new vlog. I'm actually very excited to record this vlog, and I'm really happy. And the reason to my happiness and excitement is right here. So, let me show you this. So, yes, this is my new helmet that is from AXOR, and you can see I've still not opened it. I actually wanted to open this in front of the camera, in front of you guys, and before we unbox and see what are the inbox content of this helmet, what do we get, what else do we get with the helmet, I'm just gonna see why I picked this up, because after I show you, I would actually want you guys to comment down in the video if you have seen anyone pick this helmet up, because actually I have not seen anyone use this helmet on the streets. This is not a limited edition, it is a normal helmet, but then I don't see many people choosing it. Don't know why, but hopefully for the good reasons. But what I got to know is the stock is very less on this helmet, so I have to like travel 40 kilometers every day for 3 days to get this helmet. Like travel to the same place every day to get this helmet. So it is very limited stock. So yeah, let's get started and let me show you what we have with the helmet in the box. So yeah, let's start with the box first. This is the box. It is a normal cardboard box. Nothing too hard or too great about this box, but then they've designed it pretty well. We get the AXOR logo in here, some of the features of the helmet down here. Same thing, the bell, and one more AXOR logo, and some brandings and everything. So yeah, that is all about the box. Normal cardboard, and here is the helmet. Let me keep this aside for a while and see what we get in the box. We get nothing. Sorry. So yeah, whatever we have is inside this. So this is a nice helmet cover, if you call it so, with the AXOR branding on it, provided by AXOR with the helmet, and here is the helmet. So this is my new helmet. It is called Venomous, as you can see on the back. So it is AXOR APEX Venomous. We're going to talk about the helmet in a while, and let's just see what AXOR provided us with the helmet. So here are a few stickers from AXOR. Actually, these are pretty good stickers, and why I call them pretty good is one is AXOR, one is the normal branding that they provide, but then there is this sticker which we normally purchase from other or make from other sticker places, which says in case of accident please do not remove the helmet, and there are all the blood groups. Here goes all the stickers, and we have head covers that we actually wear below the helmets, like on our heads. We have got 2 head covers.
A few moments later.
And so here is the helmet. We're going to talk about the graphics first of all. So as you can see, it is green. You also get this helmet in blue and black gloss and matte finish. I picked up green because it enhances the visibility at night or at highways and all. So with this, I can be seen from a very far distance. That's why I picked up green and gloss. And second thing would be the vents. There are total 5 vents in this helmet, 3 inlets, 2 outlets. So here is one inlet on the front of the helmet. There are 2 inlets here, which are designed as the eyebrows for those eyes and this graphics. And here is a spoiler. 2 outlets are inside in here. So 2 of those outlets are here, and yeah, with the names, and that was the front of the helmet. This is the visor. So this helmet actually comes in transparent visor. I picked up black because this actually gives a very great look to the helmet. See, because of all these black graphics and fibers and everything, that's why I picked up a black visor. There is AXOR Venomous branding in here. The talking about the certification of this helmet, this is a DOT and EC certified helmet. Two certifications, and what else? So this helmet comes with a double D ring. If you can see in here, yeah, this is double D ring, which means that this helmet can be used on track. If you're a certified track racer, if you have a certification, as you guys know that I have got my certification from TBS Racing School, so I can use this helmet on track. And then yeah, the double D ring also provides very good amount of safety, than more safety than the easy clip that we actually get in normal helmets. And then there comes the cushion for those helmets. So the cushions, I have actually not used it, but the helmet while riding. But then, as I can feel, I can tell you that the cushions are pretty soft and they fit very well on my head. And there's a chin cover. I don't know if you call it chin cover or something else, but yeah, there's a chin cover over here. And what else? So inside this visor, since they provide you a transparent visor, there is also a black glass or mirror kind of a thing. Like if you don't want to use the visor, then you can just flip it up and or get this visor on the at daytime. You can see that, yes. So there's one more visor in there, and there is a nose guard or dust guard in front. Yep, I think that is all about this helmet. And here they have provided one spoiler kind of a thing which you can actually change. You can remove this thing and make it a normal design, but then I feel this gives a very good look to the helmet, and you can actually get a transparent spoiler in this, but I've chose the black one. This costs you $500. So yeah, what else? Yeah, in the front there is the AXOR logo, which if you see from here looks like a design, but then here in front you can actually understand that it is 3D and it is like a badge in front. It is not just a sticker, it's a badge. So yeah, looking at the price range of this helmet, it is really well priced. I feel it is really well priced because with so much of features and stickers and everything, this thing costed me 4,700. I have picked up this helmet from Helmet Paradise. So if you are in Bangalore and if you want to pick any helmet from AXOR brand, they are the official dealer for AXOR, and the shop is in JC Road. You can head to the shop and pick up the helmet that you want. So JC Road, it is Helmet Paradise. I'll leave their number and their address on the description of this video. And yes, I feel they'll give discount to you as well. So I picked it up for 4,700. The actual price is 4,994. That is 6 rupees less than 5,000. So you can tell this helmet is actually priced at 5,000 by AXOR. But yeah, I got it for discount, and for 5,000, such a beautiful looking helmet and with so much of safety and dot EC certification, double D ring, and such a nice graphics, two visors. I feel it is pretty well priced. So yeah, that would be all for this helmet. If I miss something, I'll include that in some other video, maybe a review video of this helmet. And yeah, so if you think this video was informative, please do give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And yes, as I always say, I need your love and support to make this channel a hit. And till the next time, goodbye, beautiful people.